Hey guys, welcome to the Robertson's Backyard Makeover. Come on in. So when I was partnering and looking for a company that can really take us to the next level in our backyard, I chose one company and one company only, and that was Skyview. And let me show you why. Now my number one priority, as you can tell by just the surroundings of the house, was quality. Looking at Skyview reviews and then looking at their product, quality came first. You look at the cabanas here where you've got the louvers that open up electronically. You've got LED lights on all four sides. It partnered very well with the pool. Favorite part for me was the lanai. I needed full 365-day access of this back patio. As you can see, we've got the pool table, we've got the fire pit, we've got the TV, we've got the outdoor kitchen. But to top it all off was this right here. Now when I tell you, listen, I've looked at all my neighbors' backyard lanai screens. None come any close to this feature here with the Skyview screens. Not only did they provide the screens, but they provided the tracks that also sealed up against an existing enclosure that really sealed the deal for me. No more bugs. Welcome to the Robertson's Backyard Makeover.